I'm so impressed with the improvements in the VF and the VE. The base model VE I couldn't stand. I thought it was like an old 20-year-old taxi, like a boaty. You know, I could understand what they were trying to do. Yeah, the price point was fine, but I hated it. It felt old before I'd even got in it, you know. The VF base model, awesome. Just beautifully put together. There's not one rattle. It's really well suspended, and it's got great power. Like, there's nothing old about it. It feels like about 10 million steps up. It feels like a European car from the base model up.
The Commodore, the VF Commodore, there's an extraordinary broadness to the range. You've got everything from the 34,000 something Evoque, which is very refined and very roomy and bulletproof and is a fleet car, I suppose, but it's much better than that because it has a newfound agility and a newfound sophistication, and that's true across the range. But so you go from that Evoque with a 3-litre V6 to the HSV with a supercharged V8, which is the best performance car Australian performance car I'd ever driven, close to the best performance sedan I've ever driven. It is so much more refined and sophisticated than we've ever had it from HSV.
It's a good car, and it's a loads better car than the old one. It's fantastic value. But I think you really have to get up to the sort of SSV level where the suspension changes come in, and that's, you know, all of a sudden it's a leap forward. That's a fantastic car, and that put a giant smile on my face. It was one of the first cars today where I thought I might do another lap. It's that good.
It's just incredible. You wouldn't believe that chassis had that engine and the back suspension inserted into it. It feels like it was born to have a supercharged 6.2 litre V8 and that 9 3/4 inch back end, and it's easily the best Australian muscle car of all time, and that's something to be really proud of.